Hello, and good afternoon, everyone. This is Will Castro here, fractional CSIO and compliance advisor here doing AI consulting for growth stage and businesses. Hey, Will Castro here again with Triad Cyber Solutions. We got a great session here today talking about beyond the basics, and how you can integrate AI into your incident response plan. Okay, here we are here today again, episode number 24 for our Cyber Smart session. Folks, we got a great one here, and we got a whole lot of good new stuff coming up that we cannot wait to introduce to you very soon. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get right on into it here today. Now, we're talking about, when I talked about incident response, right? We're talking about incident response. We've had a session about this before with people, and the thing is, look, folks, the thing about incident response is this. Cyber attacks are always happening, right? They're always happening. They're never going to be slowing down. They're always going to hit. They're always going to be making an impact on your business. They're always going to have some type of negative impact on you, right? Cyber criminals are always working, and they're utilizing AI right now to launch it even faster. So what we want to do is watch how AI is targeting. Not only they're targeting faster, but they're more targeting to specific areas that interest you. They're targeting to areas that are more evasive and then contributing to detrimental type situations. But the good news is I can show you how the same technology, how to use it to break in. I can show you how you can utilize this to leverage to keep them out. So this isn't just for attackers, but it's an advantage for you as well. Okay? So this is what we're going to be talking about today. When we're talking about, again, about an incident response plan, it's not just a checklist, right? It's not just a checklist just to see what goes wrong, what's happening, but it's your business war room. I don't know if you have one. I have one. You can't see it here, but I have another section in the front of my office where this is where I play and do everything at. But what my war room is I go to my front of my room and I sit there and I meditate and I talk about what I need to do, how I need to protect things. If this is protected enough, what else do I need to do? It's how you silence noise and respond to cyber attacks, cyber threats that are still coming along with you every single day. So I go to my war room and I look and think about tactics like this, how we're presenting here, a presentation for you, a quick little cyber smart session about making sure you're prepared, you're detecting and analyzing things, how to do containment, how to even recover from it, and then looking at the post-incident review of after things happen. Now, make no mistake about it, so many people right now are trying to utilize AI and replace humans. You may see a lot of commercials, infomercials on social media posts. Hey, you can cut out half your staff and utilize AI. No. You do not want to do that. That is not the thing to do. You want to utilize AI to help grow and leverage your business and incorporate that while utilizing better systems to fortify your stuff. That's what you want to do. Okay? It's not going to replace them, but it's going to empower them to respond better and faster. This is what helps evolve your business. So if you're not talking AI and you're not including AI in all your process in your business, this is where we can help solve that pain point for you. Now, using AI as your force or multiplier in your incident response plan does many things, okay? It can look and check out system behavior. It can also look at logs 24/7. It can flag threats, okay? That's what it can do. It can also look at infected endpoints, blocking malicious IPs, right? and it all pulls together in a timeline that impacts and gives you a summary of exactly what's going on faster than what you have going on. But folks, don't get this twisted. This is not to replace your IT department. This is not to replace other policies that you need to have in place. This is to enhance those things, okay? So you must enhance it, not remove. You don't remove those processes. You don't remove those policies. And if you don't have anything at all, you definitely need to be giving us a call so we can help implement, one, policies, two, implement how you can see to make sure all your defenses and everything are safe. But then three, the last thing is how we can utilize AI to integrate with your incident response plan. Okay? But again, with the things I just said, it not only does those things, but it also can help detect threats faster. It can be more cost effective, and you can reduce the burnout in your team. It helps make everything become more proactive and faster for your organization. You want to make sure you have an up-to-date plan, okay? Any security incidents that maybe you missed, looking at maybe you added some new technology in your environment, including AI. You want to also look at your team structure. Team structure changes a lot. Right now, the dynamics of every company out here in the world should be making massive changes because they're utilizing AI to put that piece of the pie to also allow you to show how you can grow and scale your business. As the new threats emerge and it happens, you utilize AI on a regular schedule to go on and make sure those processes are done. Well, some people say, well, Will, if I do all these things, what's next? Well, this is what's next. You need to go ahead and get on the phone, give us a call, 336-558-4660. That's our phone number. You need to use that in order to fortify and go to the next step. The next step is to give us a call so we can help implement and take all these pains away from you. And then the thing is, I talked to someone actually yesterday who they understand and know they must do something, but they don't know where to start. For those of you who don't know where to start, let me see if my QR code is here. Here's my QR code. Scan this QR code to schedule a session with me, Will Casterlow, and I will walk you through. We will talk and get to know you. I'll get to know you. You get to know me. I get to find out some more details about what is bothering you or what things you need to implement because you don't even have the time or you don't understand or you just don't know what to do next. But scan this QR code so we can talk to you and we can show you how we can implement policies first, and then we can implement AI into your incident response. Here's our company information here, 336-558-4660. This is the best website here in the world, triadcybersolutions.com. And then you email us. You can also email us at sales@triadcybersolutions.com or scan this QR code. Take your phone, literally take your phone, open the camera. Let me show you. Take your phone, scan the camera, boom. Okay? And what this does is it pulls up, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it pulls up my calendar where you can schedule a session with me and we can go over all of these things, anything you have to talk about. There might be some things that you have going on and you want to make sure they're implemented correctly. We are here for you to make sure those things are done. So please, 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 if you don't do anything at all, just scan this QR code, schedule a session with me. I'll be glad to talk to you about these things. And again, folks, utilize and do something. Do not just sit back and do nothing. Even if you have certain things in place. If you just want to just check and see what your process is and what everything looks like, you want us to do an audit for you, we can do an audit for you as well, okay? Scan this QR code, schedule an appointment, and we can talk about those things. But I do want to also state one other thing before I close here today. I've got something very big coming in the next 30 to 45 days. In the next 30 to 45 days, we will be rolling out something big that's going to help, it's going to change how you do business for the rest of your life. It's going to change how you can bring in and make so many adjustments with your current team to utilize and to exceed and get more. We want you to 10x and do more, more, more. And to add, it takes a little bit load off of you. So, folks, that's my time here for today. I want to thank you very much for coming and joining us and hearing and just listening about how to utilize AI, how to change and leverage, how to go beyond, okay, beyond the basics. The basics of doing things are over. So let's do this. We're here for you. Scan this QR code. We'll love to see you. I'd love to talk to you very soon. Until next time, folks, be safe. Bye-bye.